Hello everyone, today you have joined the DT CREATIVELK YouTube channel. How to remove or delete pages from a PDF. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Here's the PDF I want to do this with. So there's a page in here which I don't want. It can be one or multiple. So let's go and remove and delete it. Go and open up a web browser like so. You want to go and search for something called I love PDF, all one word, like so, and come to ilovepdf.com. Hover over all PDF tools and come to the left, and press Remove Pages. Press the Select PDF file, and then you want to go and select it. Press Open. And it will upload. Now, what you can do is go and click on the pages you wish to remove, and you can then press Remove Pages in the bottom right. Then you can press Download PDF, and it will download, and we can open it up, and then we have it, we've removed them.